Hey y'all, and welcome back to Designs by Gaddis. While you're here, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This will help my channel to grow, and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make this beautiful fall lantern using Dollar Tree picture frames and florals. And I added a cute little scarecrow that I loved. Today's video is brought to you by Monvic full-size dual-power heavy-duty glue gun. It can be used corded or uncorded for up to 5 minutes. Heats up in less than 3 minutes and can be used at 80 or 120 watts depending on the project. Includes 12 full-size glue sticks, not minis. I was asked to do a review of this product, and I have to tell you, I absolutely love it. I'm excited about this glue gun, and you will be too. And the best part is the cost, only $24 with free shipping. Click on the link in the description to view this item on Amazon. For this project, I will be using 4 8x10 picture frames from Dollar Tree. I removed the wrapping and took the back and the glass out of each of the frames. I then used my new Monvic full-size glue gun to attach all 4 frames together. I simply added the glue to the inside corner of one frame and then placed the other on top of it. I continued doing this until I had glued all 4 frames together. I also added a bead of glue down the inside of each frame. This added a little more stability to the lantern. Next, I used some pieces of wood and marked where I needed to cut them for the base of the lantern. I then cut them using my chop saw outside. After the pieces were cut down to size, I hot glued them together and attached the base to the frames to create the lantern. Again, I added a bead of hot glue for extra stability. I then turned everything upside down and glued 4 large wooden beads to the bottom and pressed down in the middle to make sure everything was sturdy. I took the entire piece outdoors and spray painted it with 2 coats of Rust-Oleum white flat enamel paint. Once the paint was dry, I applied hot glue around the edge where the glass sits in the frame and placed the glass back into each frame. I then added a hurricane vase that I got from Dollar Tree, and I picked up these cute mini lights in the shape of leaves to add to the hurricane vase. You can use a candle or any mini LED lights to the vase. I then started cutting pieces off of some of the fall florals and leaves that I purchased at Dollar Tree to put around the vase in the middle of the lantern to give it a fall look. I just started layering the different leaves and florals until I liked the way it looked. I also added 2 little scarecrows from Dollar Tree. And of course, my camera quit recording during this, and I didn't realize it until I started editing this video. This beautiful lantern will make a great centerpiece, or create 2 and place them outdoors on each side of your door. This was a simple project, and I enjoyed doing it. I love the way it turned out, and I can't wait to decorate the lantern for Christmas. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't already, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more amazing decorating tips, tricks, and tutorials. And as always, thanks for watching.